So, hello friends, DC machines we will start. So, first in DC machine, let us study the constructions. So, as you know that every rotating electrical machine has two basic element. One is the rotor, another one is stator, right? One is rotor, another one is stator. Stator is rotor is the rotating part, as the name indicates, as the name suggests, and stator is the stationary element. So I am going to draw the cut section model of DC machine. So just have a look at it, how I am going to draw this. So as you are watching here, so this structure that you are seeing, this is called pole, right? So this is a pole, this is the another pole, right? In between this the circle that you are seeing, this is the rotor. So this is the rotating part. So this outermost body that you are seeing, this is called yoke, or you can say this is stator frame, right? Stator frame, that means this outermost, this you are seeing, this is the stator, which is a stationary element. This is the stationary element, and here this particular section is called as pole core, and this particular structure which is that you are seeing, which is spread in air gap, right? This is called pole shoe. It is looking like a shoe, that's why we call it as a pole shoe of the pole. This is the pole, so this is just like a shoe, so that's why pole shoe. So between this and this you will see the air gap. This is the air gap here and here as well, right? So this is air gap, all right. And this particular body that you are seeing, this is the rotor. It rotates in air gap. So this is the rotor core or simply rotor. So this is also known as armature because we provide armature winding on rotor. So that's why we also call this rotor as a armature. It's a rotating element, right? So this is the center, and here the another circle that you are seeing, right? This is known as the sectional element that you are seeing. This is called as commutator, right? So job of commutator is to convert the AC voltage into the DC voltage, right? So we will discuss this in detail. Just now you see that this is it is made from copper segment. This and this, these are the various copper segments, right? It is attached with the shaft, right? So this is made from copper segment and it is called as commutator. Its job is to convert AC voltage into DC voltage, unidirectional DC voltage. So that particular element is known as commutator, right? So you understand the various parts of the construction of DC machine, right? So field winding in DC machine are provided on stator, right? And the armature winding are provided on the rotor. The construction, you understand the construction. So this is basically a two-pole DC machine. This is a two-pole DC machine. So you are seeing this is one pole. Suppose this is north and this is south. If you take this south, then this will be north, right? So this is you are watching two pole. So this is a two-pole DC machine. This is one pole, this is another pole. So this is a two-pole DC machine. Likewise, this can be 4-pole, 6-pole, 8-pole. Like this, you can construct a DC machine. So you understand now? This is a basic construction of a DC machine. So like I said, any rotating electrical machine, it will have two parts basically. One is the rotating element, that is the rotor, and another one is the stationary element, which is the stator, or you can say yoke, right? Now this the rotor is laminated, right? Why laminated? To reduce the eddy current loss, right? So this is a construction, basics and cut section model of a DC machine. So we will now proceed further.